In this video, we'll show you how to unpack and assemble your Thermo Orion ProStar pH bench meter. When you receive your meter, inspect the packaging for any damage. If damage is found, inform your carrier and make sure that they acknowledge the damage on your receipt. Open the box and unpack the meter and components. As you unpack, check to make sure that you've received all of the parts and accessories. If something is missing, contact Thermo Fisher Scientific customer service. The first step in assembling your meter is installing the power adapter and plugging in the power supply. A universal power adapter with wall plug plates for the United States, Japan, Europe, the United Kingdom, Singapore, Australia, New Zealand, and China is included with your meter. The adapter is specifically designed for Orion ProStar meters. Other adapters can damage the meter and void its warranty. Notice that the adapter plug has two prongs that allow it to be securely locked onto the meter input. These two prongs must be properly aligned when connecting it to the meter input to ensure that it's properly connected. Select the appropriate plug plate for your outlet. Then slide the plug plate into the groove on the back of the power adapter. Locate the two slots on your meter's power input. Align the two tabs on the power adapter plug with the indents on the meter power input. Insert the power adapter plug into the meter's power input and twist clockwise to lock the connection. Then plug the assembled power adapter into your power outlet. It's recommended that you use a surge protector or uninterrupted power supply to protect your meter from power surges. It's time to install the electrode stand and arm. You'll need the electrode stand arm, holder head, and base. Slide the electrode holder head into the U-shaped slot on the arm. Insert the pin into the hole at the top of the U-shaped slot. Next, lower the electrode arm onto the peg on the base and adjust the electrode stand resistance as needed. You can adjust the stand's resistance to your liking. Adjust the arm's up and down motion with the upper dial. Turning the dial counterclockwise will decrease the resistance, making the arm easier to move. Turning the dial clockwise will increase the resistance. The lower dial does the same for the arm's forward and backward movement. The next step is attaching electrodes and other tools to the arm. Orion ProStar meters offer electrode clips to support a range of electrode sizes and types. The recommended electrode diameter for each slot is indicated on the holder. The 12mm clip holds pH electrodes, ORP electrodes, ion selective electrodes, and other electrodes with a 12mm diameter. The stirrer holder is designed to secure the Thermo Orion stirrer probe. As a meter-controlled device, the Orion stirrer probe works seamlessly with Orion ProStar meters. The 15mm clip holds conductivity electrodes, polarographic dissolved oxygen electrodes, and other electrodes with a 15mm diameter. The ATC holder secures the Thermo Orion automatic temperature compensation probe so that the height of the probe can be aligned with the height of the electrodes and accessories. The 20-degree angled holder secures gas-sensing ion selective electrodes. An RDO clip allows you to attach optical dissolved oxygen electrodes. Use the channels built into the arm to manage electrode and accessory cables. Simply press the cables into the foregrips inside the channels to secure them. Inputs for electrodes and accessories are located on the back of the Orion ProStar meter. Each has a protective cap to keep out dust and water. Leave these caps in place unless the input is being used. Connect the pH electrode by lifting the cap from the BNC input and inserting the connector fully into the input, then twist to lock it in place. The shorting cap can be used to troubleshoot the meter, so retain it for later use. To connect an ATC temperature probe, use the 8-pin mini DIN plug. The reference half-cell electrode input accepts electrodes with pin tip plugs. This is only needed when using a reference half-cell electrode paired with a sensing half-cell electrode. The Orion stirrer probe connects with a 3.5mm phono jack. Let's turn on your meter. The power is located on the right side. Press and release the power button to turn your meter on or off. You'll find USB meter inputs on the left side. You can use these to connect accessories such as a mouse, keypad, flash drives, or barcode scanners. A USB computer cable is included to connect your meter to a computer. You can also connect the Thermo Scientific Orion Star A Series compact printer using a 2.5mm phono jack. You're unpacked, set up, and ready to go. Thank you for watching. Visit thermofisher.com/electrochemistry to learn more.